men, listen up. We know that it certainly rings true, I think, for a lot of people that when a medical issue comes up, men are often the last times to either make the phone call and get help or look into it. Well, Andrew from South Bay Clinic is joining us, medical clinic, joining us again this morning to talk about that. Maybe you can shed some insight on this, Andrew, because you guys do get a hard time of not actually doing something about health issues.
Yeah, that's exactly right. Men are kind of sensitive when it comes to this topic and maybe all medical issues, but we're talking
Yeah.
about erectile dysfunction or ED. And what the stats say is that only 30% of men with erectile dysfunction get treatment. So I'm assuming 2/3 of guys suffer. They don't do anything about it. And the relationship, of course, is what takes the hit.
Well, and I would also assume that maybe a lot of men think the only solution to that is the pill.
Yes, it has been the pill for 30 years or maybe injections. Nobody wants to do that for ED. South Bay Medical Clinic is changing the game. This is clinically proven technology called acoustic wave therapy. And what it does is it opens up and regrows blood vessels, not invasively, doesn't take surgery. That means more circulation in this part of the body. Let's not forget, erectile dysfunction is a blood flow problem. That's what we're treating. And with just a few short 10-minute sessions, we've been able to help so many men get rid of the erectile dysfunction, get rid of the need to take the pill, and turn back the clock in the bedroom.
Talk about who this could help. I mean, is it an age thing? Is it, people taking certain medication? I mean, I don't know. I mean, who can benefit from this?
There are so many guys of every age that suffer with ED. And yes, it could be, a result of some lifestyle or maybe some medication. But if you're out there suffering with ED or your man is struggling, you're more normal than you think. This is so common. We've treated men in their 20s and 30s. We've treated men in their 80s and 90s, diabetics, prostate issues. We've seen it all. This technology is so effective that clinical studies have tested it on men with severe erectile dysfunction, and it has worked, and it's totally safe.
All right. So again, going back to the beginning, if men are so hesitant to call about anything, how do we get men to pick up the phone and find out more information, now and with this?
Well, we've got a lot of value today, and we want to help those 70% of men that aren't doing anything. Let's get the relationship back. Call us right now, and the initial screening, assessment, and even blood flow ultrasound with our doctor will be no charge. That's really cool and quite valuable. We'll throw in a little gift that produces immediate results in the bedroom. I don't think I've ever seen it fail, by the way. This is a $500 value. Call us during this segment right now, and it will all be no charge.
So we've been showing the website and the phone number, and we'll make sure all the details get on our website as well. But Andrew, as always, good to see you. Thank you for taking the time and talking about this morning.